Hey everyone, welcome to AI Rasoi by Sam. This Rakhi, make this crispy, juicy and creamy Rabri Ghewar at home. Take 60 grams ghee and a few ice cubes. Whisk until the ghee becomes light and creamy. Add 250 grams maida little by little, alternating with cold water. Whisk until completely smooth and lump-free. Add about 1 liter cold water gradually until the batter becomes very thin, almost like milk. Heat plenty of ghee or oil in a deep pan until very hot. Place a Ghewar ring in the center. Pour a small ladle of batter from a little height into the center. Let the bubbles settle, then repeat. Keep repeating thin pours, allowing each layer to cook before adding the next. Slowly build your Ghewar. Fry until beautifully golden and crisp, then carefully remove and drain. For the syrup, boil 2 cups sugar with half a cup water until slightly sticky, then add cardamom. For the rabri, slowly reduce full-fat milk until thick and creamy. Add sugar, cardamom and saffron for a rich, festive flavor. Now place your crispy Ghewar on a plate, drizzle with syrup, and generously top it with chilled rabri. And there it is, crispy, creamy and absolutely irresistible. The perfect homemade treat for Rakhi. Save this recipe for Rakhi and follow AI Rasoi by Sam for more delicious recipes.